Initiate a 1, 2, 3 rollout. We're going to stick our finger here on the return trip home like this, and let it spin around our finger. As it comes around to right here, then you're going to want to stick your thumb in right here. As it continues its rotation, it's going to continue around the thumb, where you're going to catch it right there. On this side of the spine of the blade and the bite handle. With your back of your palm and your finger here, the back of your hand, facing the safe handle. Ready to initiate another thumb roll with this thumb being placed in here. As it comes around again, it's going to rotate like this. At this point, you're now holding the bite handle, so you have to be careful not to cut yourself at this point. At this point, as it's coming around, you don't want to just keep it on this plane. If you do, this blade's going to come right into your hand. So what you're going to want to do is come in. See, I'm rotating it like this. I'm going to give it a little roll. So as I turn, I'm going to turn my hand with it this time. The blade's going to come, in the way the handle's going to bring this up like this. At this point, you can go into it like this. By turning your hand this way, it's going to let the blade only come to here and not up here. You can catch it this way. Let me do that. Try to do it fast. Motion for you here. 1, 2, 3. Finger roll. Thumb spin. You're here. You stick your thumb there. One more. Don't overshot it. So now I'm just going to do an open like that. Close like that. To get me set. Oh, you can do the same thing, I guess, to close. But so 1, 2, 3. Finger spin. Thumb spin. Another thumb spin. And then flip the hand yard like I just did. When I got to here, I let it come down. So this stopped at an angle here and didn't continue. You gotta be careful at this point because it is dangerous. But, you know, it's best to use one of these, but I find this really hard to use because it's so light. Whoever made this part more heavier than they did the handles, which unlike these, I think the handles are more heavier than this blade is. It's going to balance perfectly with this one because the things I can do with that, I just can't seem to do with this one. I mean, it's awesome because you won't be scared of it, and that's what a lot of people can't do a move is because it's not because they can't do it, it's they really could. It's just that they can't get over the fear factor. Everybody wants to get cut. Like even me, I wear gloves when I do this because if I'm going to use that thing, I don't want to catch it right in just for playing around. I mean, I don't always wear my gloves. But when I spin, I do. Because this shit's fucking dangerous. But I love it. So when I was a kid, my granddad used to like, hey, you don't want to get cut, don't play with knives. But I love knives, so I don't give a shit. Cut me. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so recap this again. 1, 2, 3. Finger spin, thumb spin, land here. You don't want to land here because sometimes it'll continue the rotation before you grab it, then you'll be caught in this position. And now you're going to want to try to get it out of that. So what you can do is come down, reset as you come back up with that little simple quick flip there, and now you can be set to hold to go back into your thumb spin right there. And at that point is where you want to be careful as it's coming around because you're going to do a close right here anyway. This is where you want to tilt this handle. That way this part can come around this way. You're going to lift this straight enough to receive this handle because as this comes down, you don't want to get cut. So you're going to tilt, let it come back, grab. And then simple close. Okay, 1, 2.